freeze inside of me in this dance that I
I'm with Justin. Okay. Let's start na. I can cut that, don't worry, man.
Look, I have no run.
Wait! Can you say hi to them, Mahal?
Hi, I have a stick, look.
Hi, guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am with my husband. This is Rollei, or Justin. This is Justin.
I'm Rollei. Now I look like
Justin
Hitler. Look, now I look like Hitler.
Don't say that on my vlog, Mama.
Don't make me look like Hitler, eh?
No.
Hi, look, I have a fat tummy. So
Wait lang.
hi, welcome to Kate's channel. We have a stick.
So, I just want to share with you that my husband is a gamer. He have a lot of things that he would like to share to the gamer community. And, yeah, he's a collector. Can you tell them what do you collect?
I collect sticks. I have one now. I will show you.
No, the things that you want to.
I collect a
share
lot
with
of stuff, but that you have to see it in my own YouTube channel. It's a surprise.
them. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Triple F.
Triple?
F.
Is it? Are you serious?
Yeah. Final Fantasy fan. Triple F.
Okay, Final Fantasy
Fan.
fan. So,
She will leave a description down, a link down in the description below.
but you should put some videos.
Yeah, I don't have any videos yet. That's why I bought this, so I can make a video. I have a stick there, a stick. It's from.
I'm gonna flex it. I'm gonna show
It's
it.
a Rollei. Don't know the brand, but it's the best one I could find in there. So took it out in the store and we weren't able to put it back in the box. So check that out.
And actually, he went to Media Markt to get a camera so he can start recording.
Oops.
But he went to Lysinda, or what do you call it? Mall of Netherlands, but they don't have the stock anymore.
Put it like.
And then he went to a second store in Rotterdam, right?
Yes.
But then he said he was not able to get the camera there. So this is what he got.
Why is it wobbly?
I don't know.
Oh, wait till you screw it like that. There we go.
The brand is Rollei or Rollei.
Rollei. So, and then you, wrong way, I guess.
I'm so sad you didn't get the camera, Mahal. But you know he likes to make jokes, so I don't know if
You can
he's
unscrew
serious
these so
about it.
it can go longer.
Okay, Mahal. Let's move it so you can
You
show
release it in stages. Stage 1, stage 2, whoop, stage 3, whoop, stage 4, whoop.